I'll have to say we might take a little bit breather in first half this year, mainly because as you all mentioned, actually Taiwan market has a very good rally last year. But if we look at fundamentally, earnings estimates for this year has already have a strong forecast about 13-14% growth this year, following a very strong growth of 46% last year. So I would say a lot of positive, strong growth from tech sectors are already largely well expected. But meanwhile, on the other hand, we see uncertainties from macro side, for example, the monetary policy risk, the trade tariff, etc. So we would suggest a more diverse and also a more defensive portfolio for this year. We still stay constructive on AI tech, but meanwhile, we would suggest to also position into a couple of three other themes. So first would be the beneficiaries for localization in the China market. Second, high dividend yield stock, and then thirdly, the high quality growth stock with secular growth trend. Back to you. Thank you.
Ali, can you put a number on it? We did see the Taiex last year hitting all-time record highs at 24,390. That was done so in the middle of last year, July the 11th to be exact. What is your year-end or your high target for the Taiex this year?
Okay, our year-end target for this year is 23,870, and our high-end target would be 25,330. So this is our base case is based on 13 times PE multiple for this year.
As we look at the market, of course, there's been a lot of focus on artificial intelligence, on chips. Are you seeing growth anywhere else in the Taiwan market?
Well, for this year, I would say still AI tech is the most important driver. And if there could be more upside, if there are some good AI user case which can stimulate more end application on PC, smartphone, and also later on AI capex. But other than that, we do think a more bottom-up approach would be better, would be suggested. So, for example, like the power supply management, that in that case, in that industry, we also find some structural growth, or for example, market share gain. So that would benefit some OEM, ODM, or component supplier. Secondly, for example, on the tech localization trend, as Chinese government or develop more localized vendor for the tech supply chain, I think that that is also a good opportunity for investment for this year.